got some meat chicks that are getting too big for the brooder, so I gotta get them out on the pasture. And it's the last thing I gotta do today. We're gonna call it a day. It's the end of the day, and I really need to get this done really bad. I've already got these moved. This chicken tractor moved to new grass. We just processed what we had left today, and I kind of went over. I went over about an extra week and 3 or 4 days. We processed some right at the right time, and they were a little bit light. But, they were still okay. So I'll give it another week or so, and just gonna do it. Last few days ago, it was something happened, but anyway. All right, I already got the water in here because, like I said, I've got this moved to fresh grass. This is the feed, non-GMO, no soy, no corn, 18%. I wish it was 22%. So I got that in there. I already counted, there's 18 there. And so I'm gonna start putting them in. And you can watch them there, they're ready to eat. I just gave them, I was actually gonna move them this afternoon, and came a little rain, and then I accidentally fell asleep. And so anyway, it's cool right now. Anyway, it's really not bad at all right now, as opposed to what it was. All right, let me get these in here and you can look at them. Another job done, didn't have no problems. That's why we like it, ain't it? I have to get me a new one of these crates. The one I got is getting deteriorating. These things are very old. I don't even know how old these things are. You can see how this one's faded. This is the newer of the one, but it's starting the door's starting to chip, so I might ask for one for Christmas. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. I can't remember if we sent them alive, but we got our pigs back from processing, and we'll talk about that on the live. Everything went really well today. We're getting a little better now. I think our bottleneck now is the killing cones. They can flop out of the ones I got, so I'm gonna ask Allison to let me spurge and maybe buy one from the Featherman people. Buy one to try it, and if they work good. I like to have one of them kind of just like Salatin guys. It's got on a circle, you put it in there, you spin it, and you watch them in our videos, they throw them in there, you know, bleed them and go on to the next one. I mean, it's just like boom, boom, boom. When I do it up there, I gotta hold them or they'll flop out. I had one flop out today, so I don't know. They said them square ones do that, so I didn't know when I bought them. Anyway, live and learn, right? These right here are good. This is really a good number for us, 15. Well, I lost one of these when they were a chick. I lost one of the other ones when they got bigger. So I'm actually gonna go order some more, probably tonight or tomorrow for, let's see. These will be reprocessing in about 4 more weeks. So I need to wait a couple weeks and we'll get another batch in here. If we get really good, you know, we might even up that number, but The way our equipment is right now is 15 fits really good in that first brooder. Then I got the second brooder, which I don't like. I'm gonna build me a new one of those. And then and this, of course, this is made for. I built this for 75. This chicken tractor, and that's when I was really ambitious and young. This thing is old. I keep saying it's gonna be the last year. I keep using it. All right, new chicks on pasture. Old chicks in the freezer be for sale Saturday. We sold out chicken Saturday at the Farmstead. So we'll put some more, we'll have some more down there. We got a new vacuum sealer. I'll try to do a review on it when we get time. And that was our bottleneck. It took forever to vacuum seal them, you know, when we cut them up in parts. And so this one's gonna be a lot faster, I hope. So we'll see. All right, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down there in the farm next video. Got some meat chirp. Got some meat. I got some meat chicks that are getting too big for the